For this project, I'm using 2 square fabrics, each 28 by 28 inches, and a 21-inch piece of half-inch elastic. To make it pop, go for contrasting fabrics. Trust me, it makes a big difference. First, fold each fabric in half lengthwise, then again widthwise. You will have one corner where all the folds meet. That's our magic corner. From that point, measure out 14 inches in a curve. Connect those marks and cut it out. Open it up and voila, you have a perfect circle. Now measure a 2-inch gap and mark half an inch in from the edge all the way around. Connect your marks and sew along that line. Trim away the extra fabric to reduce bulk, then turn your bonnet right side out. Give it a quick press with your iron so the edges are nice and smooth. Next, find the gap you left earlier. From there, measure 1.5 inches in and draw another circle. From that line, measure half an inch in again for the elastic casing. This one has no opening. Sew along the first line, making sure your thread matches both fabrics. Then sew along the second line to create your casing. Thread in the elastic through the casing, holding one end with a pin so it doesn't disappear inside. Once it's through, remove the pins. Pull both ends together and tie a tight knot. Trim off any extra elastic. Lay your bonnet flat. Sew the gap closed. Stitch around the very edge for a neat, polished finish. And that's it. Your gorgeous bonnet is ready to wear. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun sewing projects. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.